Hey guys, I wanted to quickly bring us some information about Seneca College, which is now Seneca Polytechnic, that is holding their open house this Saturday, November 25th, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time, which is about 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African Time. You can join in person or you can join virtually. You can register, go ahead and register now. And some of the benefits of attending this open house is that you get to see some live presentations and panel discussions. You also get program information sessions. So you learn about your program of interest. You join a program information session. There's a services fair where you explore services and support. You connect with experts. There's a campus tour as well. So you can do a virtual campus tour, see the classrooms, see the labs, see the student spaces, get a feel of the school. Seneca is one of the best colleges or polytechnics now in Ontario. You also get to participate in a promotion and a chance to win. Now, this is the exciting part about why I am showing you this. The open house will be photographed, it will be live streamed, it will be recorded. And like I said before, you can attend virtually. You don't have to come there in person. There are some promotions that you will be liable to get if you attend the open house. So I want to talk about is the international application fee waived promotion. So this is open to international prospects who are interested in a full-time program for January, May, or September of 2024. These are the terms that are open. So the first 250 applicants will save $90 when applying to Seneca Polytechnic. And to participate, you have to visit the open house promotions area in person or virtually, or if you attend at the virtual event and request the promotion code. Now, the code covers the cost of the international application fee when you apply to a Seneca program between 9 a.m. EST on Saturday and 11:59 p.m. EST on Sunday. So these are the EST times. The West African time is about 6 hours behind this. So, or 6 hours in front of this, sorry. So this promotion code will be available for that time. If you've been thinking about applying to Seneca, this is a chance to apply to a great school like Seneca without having to pay the application fee. And what I'm stressing on this is that a lot of people want to apply to more than one school, but they don't do that just because of the application fee. So this is a chance for you to apply to Seneca College. So please make sure you go now and register. I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Register. I don't see what you have to lose. Registration is free, and once you attend, you have a chance to get your application fee waived, which is an opportunity for you to apply to a great school like Seneca Polytechnic. They just went from Seneca College to Seneca Polytechnic, and it's a promotion because they are moving towards university. They are one step higher than colleges, and the system is different from what you have in Nigeria. So guys, just go get the link below and register. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're bringing you more information, more opportunities for you to get scholarships, to have the monies that you need to pay to study in Canada reduced. So this is one opportunity you shouldn't miss. And please share it, like the video and share it. Lots more people would have the opportunity to get this information. Make sure you're among the first 250 to register. So even if you share it, make sure that you're by your phone at the time. And if you can even log in before that time, 3 p.m. West African time, make sure you do that so you're one of those that gets this opportunity. Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time out to just get this quick information. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. And take care.